What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today we're going to be discussing this new software update that Apple has released. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so go to your settings, scroll down to General, and then click Software Update. All right, so iOS Security Response 16.4.1a. So as you can see, mine has already been downloaded, but this rapid security response provides important security fixes and is recommended to all users. So you hear that, guys? This is recommended to all users. If you would like more information, just click that Apple support link and go to the Apple website, and it'll give you all the information you need on this. So when you are ready, make sure your phone is hooked up to the charger and at least 50% charged. Then you're going to download and install this update. Once it has been completed, it will take you through a series of reboots, and then this will pop up on the software update tab. And you will see that the update has been properly and successfully installed, and there is nothing more for you to do. So yeah, guys, go ahead and update this on your phones. Do not skip out on this one because you might be missing out on something very important. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.